Hey, what's going on, guys? So for today, I will show you how you can edit a PDF in Microsoft Word. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. All right, so first let's open up our Microsoft Word. So let's go to Start. So I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word here. Now, once you're here, you can go to File and click on Open. Now, once you're here, you can now locate the PDF file that you want to edit. So click on Browse. And here you can browse through your files and look for the file that you want to edit. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this one. So select the file and click on Open. So it may give you an error at first. Just click on OK. Alright, so here you go. This is the PDF and now you can edit this document. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.